Hello. Today in this video we are going to discuss about crossed Aldol condensation. In the previous video we have discussed how to write the Aldol condensation product in a easier way. So similarly, if you are given with two different types of aldehydes or two different types of ketones, or the condensation between an aldehyde or a ketone, all these that type of condensation is also a aldol condensation, but it is a crossed aldol condensation. So here I have taken a simple example. Here if you take the same type of an aldehydes, two aldehydes, will get an beta hydroxy aldehyde, one product. But if you take it two different aldehydes or two different ketones, or else one aldehyde and a ketone, here I have taken. What are the products obtained? Here the mixture of products will be obtained, and today I'll tell you how to write those products. So if at all the condensation is between the similar ones, so here if you are given like this, so here it is a crossed aldol condensation between an aldehyde and a ketone. Okay, so here what I told you how to write the product. So first thing, you attach the alpha carbon to the carbonyl carbon while writing the product. So here we'll get four products if you take like this. How to write those four products? So here first product is, if this molecule will undergo, if at all this undergoes self condensation, here is one product, and the second one, if it undergoes self condensation, you will get another product. First we will write these two products and then we will discuss remaining two. So first write this one. If two acetaldehyde molecules undergo self condensation, as I told you, here how to write the product, you just attach, you write like this, and take one alpha hydrogen out and write down this one. Okay, now here the first step, you attach these two carbon atoms and break that pi bond, transfer this hydrogen to this one. So here if you write like this, what you will get? You will get CH3. Here is your CH. Here is your CH2. C double bond OH. And here here simultaneously I have written the two steps. So first one, at carbon bond, and here oxygen. Second step, breakage of this pi bond, and the third step, transfer of hydrogen from this side to this side. So here you got the first product. It is a beta hydroxy aldehyde. And if this undergoes self condensation, similarly you will get that product now. So here CH3, C double bond O, here CH3, I am writing this side above this carbonyl carbon, because you should attach carbonyl carbon to the alpha carbon of the another one. So here two acetone molecules you have taken. So it is C double bond O CH3, and all you need is, you require that alpha hydrogen, and here is your C double bond O CH3 as it is. Okay, so this is one molecule of acetone and it is the second molecule of acetone. These two are undergoing self condensation in presence of a base. So what I told you, attach this carbonyl, one molecule carbonyl carbon to the another molecule alpha carbon, first step. So here first step I have completed. Second step, break that pi bond. Okay, done. And third step, here CH3 as it is, you write these hydrogens as it is, C double bond O. And the third step, transfer this hydrogen to this side, and here you will be with CH2. Here it is your CH2, C double bond O, CH3. Yes. This is your alpha and beta, beta hydroxy ketone. Okay. If it is an aldehyde, it is a beta hydroxy aldehyde. If you take a ketone, it is beta hydroxy ketone. This is another aldol condensation product. This is your product A and this is your product B. Okay. Clear. Now how to write the remaining two products. So if you look at this one. So here, if here I'll clear this one. So first, if you take an acetone molecule, so C double bond O CH3. Second, it is a crossed aldol condensation, no? So second, you take acetaldehyde CH3CHO. You take that alpha hydrogen out and write C double bond OH. So here, first molecule I have taken like this is the third product. How to write the third product? Because it is a crossed aldol condensation, we have taken an aldehyde and a ketone. So same remaining thing as it is. So first step, you attach this. Here it is an aldehyde, no? Alpha carbon of aldehyde and carbonyl carbon of this ketone. So first step, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here is your C double bond OH aldehyde as it is, and you have completed your first step. Second step, here is your CH3 as it is, CH3 as it is. Second step, break this pi bond and here, okay, second step also completed. Third step, here transfer this hydrogen from this side to this side. Okay, this is your third product and complete the valences by putting the hydrogens. Okay. So this is the A, B, C. This is the third product. So here it is also alpha, beta, beta hydroxy aldehyde. Here it is your third product. Okay. So, and how to write the fourth product? This is 1, this is 2, and how I'll tell you how to write the fourth product. So here is your hydrogen as it is. So here you interchange these two. So here is your acetaldehyde, that is CH3 C double bond OH plus, and here is the hydrogen you should transfer from the ketone. This is your ketone. Okay, it will be easy if I, okay, don't get confused. So here I am writing the product. So here first thing, attach this carbonyl carbon, alpha carbon to the carbonyl carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, break that pi bond, okay, and here around the carbon you look for the valences and put the hydrogens. Here it is your CH2, C double bond O, CH3, okay, ketone I have written. So first two steps we have completed, and the remaining transfer of this hydrogen from that side to this side, it is a beta hydroxy ketone. So if you observe these four products, these four will be different, A, B, C, D. This is the way you have to write the crossed aldol condensation products. If you look at first two products, self-condensation products, and just to write the crossed aldol product, first you take acetone molecule and acetaldehyde, whatever the molecule of your choice. So first thing is, and to write the fourth product, you just interchange. This is about crossed aldol condensation, and I think it is very clear to you, and you can write the crossed aldol condensation products very easily. Okay.